Members of the press, fellow Malawians out there, and the fellow members of Malawi Fest, allow me to welcome you to this press briefing this morning, where we have all gathered to demand accountability over what we expected to be Mombela University. Malawi Fest, ladies and gentlemen, is appalled by the utter neglect and the abandonment of the Mombela University, a project that was touted as a flagship initiative to boost education and economic development in Malawi. Despite significant resource allocation, the university has been reduced to a white elephant with no sign of completion or functionality. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, it is against this background Malawi Fest would like to demand accountability from the Minister of Finance, Minister of Education, Minister of Transport and Public Works regarding the mismanagement of this critical project. The people of Malawi were promised that the university will be officially opened by the 5th February 2025. But it appears, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, that the deadline was nothing more than a pipe dream. Furthermore, we call upon Paramount Holdings, Deck Construction, and the Chinese company involved in the project to explain to Malawians why and what happened, who told them to abandon this project, who is responsible for this, monumental failure. As you can see, there is nothing to show, despite, billions of kwachas allocated for this project. There is nothing here at the site. And even myself, I'm failing even to read the statement because there is nothing to show. In light of these egregious circumstances, Malawi Fest demands that Anti-Corruption Bureau, ACB, launches a thorough investigation into this matter. Because this is a serious matter. We cannot, stay idle and watch this happening in our country. And this is not the first, project to be treated in the manner Mombela University has been treated. We want to know who is behind this scandal and what happened to the resources allocated for this project. The people of Malawi will not be fooled by empty promises and grandstanding. We demand transparency, accountability, and action. The Mombela University project must be salvaged, and those responsible for its downfall must be accountable. We further call upon the government of Malawi to do the following: investigate the circumstances surrounding the abandonment of this Mombela University or this project, recover any funds, and ensure the completion of the university and its functionality. And we are giving all parties responsible 7 days to act on our demands. We are asking the ACB, asking Minister of Transport, Education and Finance to do this ASAP within 7 days. In conclusion, Malawi Fest will continue to monitor the situation closely and demand justice for the people of Malawi. Mombela University must rise from its ashes. But first, those responsible for its downfall must be held accountable. We want rest up until justice is served. That's why we are calling upon Deck Construction to come up with a statement. We're calling upon the Paramount Holdings to do the same, and even the Minister of Finance, Minister of Transport, Minister of Education to follow suit. And this should be within 7 days. And we must come back here again, and that those people should explain to the nation what really happened, why Mombela University is like this without anything to show. I want to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, for listening. Allow me at this juncture to hand over to Ms. Sangwira to do the same in Chichewa. Thank you very much.